टेक्स्ट मैसेजिंग करते हैं?
यस सर।
मैसेज वगैरह करते हैं? एक दिन में 500 मैसेज कर लेते हैं आप?
सर।
अच्छा, गुड। चलें जी, लेट्स टेक अ स्टार्ट। हो गया? तो पहले तू मैनू मशहूर करेगा, हाँ उंज मैं होवा ना होवा। टेक्स्ट मैसेजिंग, डू यू लाइक टेक्सटिंग योर फ्रेंड्स?
Yes, definitely. I like to text my friends usually because I think it is a very convenient way for me to communicate with others.
Okay, this is rather short. You can just add a couple of sentences. Do you prefer sending messages or receiving messages?
Well, I don't like think so because whenever I need to send message, then I send message, and sometimes when I need to receive message, then anybody can send me message.
Okay.
That's not
All right,
problem.
listen, you need to reorganize this answer. Well, do you prefer sending or receiving messages? I prefer both actually. Whenever I need anything, I send a message to my friend, and obviously, when I send a message, I need a reply to that message. So, to answer your question, I like sending and receiving as well. Something like that.
Yes, sir.
Let's go on. Have you ever received a confusing text message?
Well, sometime I receive a confusing message, but I don't need to read about that because it's like a it's like it's like a
This answer is unclear. Some answers are unclear, right? I tell you how to make it. Listen, have you ever received a confusing text message? Yes, once I received a message, it was in Chinese language, and somebody sent that message to me by mistake, and there was the country code. Then I checked the country code, it was from China, and all the long message was written in Chinese, and I couldn't understand a word of that. So to answer your question, only once I...
Yes, sir.
सही हो गया ना? हमारी जिंदगी में कंफ्यूजिंग यही होगा ना, वो तो
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
होगा ना कि वो
वही कहना था।
Yeah, exactly. यही कहना था। चाइनीज कर दें, फ्रेंच कर दें,
Yes, sir.
इटालियन कर दें, that's fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In what circumstances is making a phone call better than sending text message?
Well, according to my opinion, in sometime in emergency we need to call instead of messaging because people do not read the message immediately. That's why it is the answer of your question. And sometime we need to text. Sometime we don't have any emergency about that, so we need a text message about.
Okay, now listen, you need to reorganize your answers,
Yes,
understand the question and answer accordingly. Right? Once there was a miser and his home was on fire and he was giving missed calls to fire department. So this happens also. You know, in Urdu say एक शेख के घर में आग लग गई, वो fire department को missed call दे रहा था. Okay, they call me back and then I tell them. Okay, so listen, last question.
Yes,
in
sir.
what circumstances is making a phone call better than sending a text message? Well, I think in case of emergency, it is always better to call the person because people usually don't respond to text messages immediately, and there are some people who only check their messages once a day. So in case of any emergency situation, whether that is medical or other, it's a very good idea to call the person immediately.
Yes, sir.
Answer ऐसे नहीं, clear करें, ideas होने चाहिए, content हो, then you can handle the questions well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.